She not get character. I not sure say me with this woman we fit live together. If I live with this woman, e no go better for me. If I live with this woman, nothing when I dey do when go work for me. Seriously. You no know those things. You no know say she no get character when she come dey suffer dey follow you. You no know say if you live with am, you no go achieve anything when she dey suffer follow you. Those men, I'm here to talk to you people. Hello guys, welcome back again to my channel. This is Julia Jacobs vlog. Yes guys, happy Sunday, happy Easter, happy everything. Christ has risen. Yeah, I hope you went to church. I hope you were able to celebrate your Easter to the fullest. So guys, today I have another topic to talk about. Yes guys, I want to talk to those men that they always neglect the women that suffered with them when they already make it, when they already have the money, when they are now rich. They now know that the woman does not have character. The woman, they cannot live with the woman. They cannot marry the woman. So guys, just imagine, for instance, you have a sister as a man. She labor with one man. After the man make it, the man will not say that your sister have no character. He cannot live with your sister. Hey, how will you feel? How will you feel? The time when the woman they suffer follow you, the time when the woman they do everything follow you to make sure say you make am for life. You know say the woman not get character. You know say your family not like am. You know say the tribe when she from come, your family not they like that tribe. You know say she no sabi cook. Now, when you don't make am, you start to dey bring 50 excuses just for you to dump the woman. Like e good. If God, if God come dey punish you now, you when you don't dump that woman, anything you put your hand not come dey work. Now call dey catch wish. Now dey catch wish. Say na my papa na so person dey worry me. Now this one dey worry me. You no know say law of karma dey. You don't know. You cannot escape it. Law of karma, you can't escape it. When you do that thing, when you feel say it right, so to take hurt another soul, the result must surely come back. God will never allow you to go scot-free for allowing that woman to waste her time. After wasting her time, and now you now see that she is not good, she don't have character, you can't live with her. Seriously, you can't live with her. You can't live with her. That's how you say the woman not good. Your family not like am. But the time when they suffer follow you, your family like am. Even some sef, the girl go trade use their money train them for school finish. When they don't make am, they go dump the girl or go marry another woman. The girl go stand by them. When they don't make am, they go dump the girl, they go marry another woman. And you want God to bless you? You expect God to bless that kind of man? Una go dey those men, e can't make many girls no dey submissive to their relationship like that again because they are afraid. They fear. May I no come suffer follow this man finish. At the end of the day, e dump me. Do you understand? At the end of the day, e can't dump me. Wetin I go do? So my brothers, don't be, that is not right. If you are that man and you see a woman that stands with you, that woman, hardly before you see women these days when they stand with men. If you are lucky to find one, respect her. If you are lucky to find one, respect her with all your life. Because why? The Bible says two heads are better than one. Yes, when they reason together and when they are going the same direction. At times sef when the woman even dey help you, things fit dey still dey hard you because why? God don know say you go dump that woman if you make am. God don know say you go dump that woman if you make am. I'm not advising any woman to run after riches or looking for already made. I'm not saying that. I'm not saying that. Try as much as possible. That is why I always say that before you go into any relationship, my sister, pray put. Ask God, if I enter here, it go better for me. No, don't just jump enter just because you love the guy. I'm really going to talk about that getting married with one reason or the other. Guys, if you want me to talk about it, I want you to drop your comment in the comment section below. You know, don't jump into it because maybe you love this guy and you feel the guy love you too. If he don't make am, he go leave you. If not be your husband, if it's not the will of God for you, he go leave you. And I'm here to talk to those men. Stop it, is not right. Stop it. It's not right. It's not right. If that woman say, now this person do me this thing, e no go better for you. If he use am, if he talk am come from him mind with tears, with grief, until you look for that woman and beg for forgiveness, e no go really better for you. Because you know why? You hurt her really bad. You hurt her spirit, you hurt her soul. You don't expect any woman to deal with you for years finish just to see that you make it in life, and after you make it, you now dump the woman. Wetin dey even dey vex me for inside? The time when they suffer, so they no dey see all these faults. They no dey see say the woman not good. They no dey see say the woman family na witch, or the woman na witch, or the woman no dey respect him friends, or the woman no dey respect him family. You know, or she no know how to cook. They go dey bring different excuses for no reason just to take dump the woman. Is it right, men? E good? Is it really right for you to start a journey you cannot finish? Na that time you go know say the woman dey dirty. Na that time you go know say she dey do like old woman. When she dey suffer follow you, you don't know say she dey do like old woman. Now when you get money, wetin you supposed to do? You are supposed to brush her. She go become your queen. Your everything is short. But wetin una dey do? Those set of men, I no dey say na all men o, don't get me wrong, because many men dey, if you really stand with them when they no get, when they don't get him, you go be like gold for them. And talking out of experience, okay? I know they assume. You understand? I know what I'm talking about. When I'm saying something, I say it with experience. I know they carry the talk the one when I don't know. I know they carry the talk with you I don't know. You get? So, like I was saying, he go adore you. He go treat you like a queen. So now so some men be the one when they see head take on life, you know. But you see those ones when they not get head, so those goats, those useless men. The time when you they do all those things, so when you they suffer, they follow and so he go look you, he go they do like better person. They like that. They plenty. They full everywhere, you know. But I want to address it. E not good. E not good make woman suffer for follow you finish You can't know say now when you don't come make am, now you can't know say the woman not good. You dey enter keke napep, the woman good. You dey trek, the woman good. Now you don't get car of your own, the woman not good again. The woman not fine. Na that time you go say e don too fat, or na that time you go say e too slim, or na that time you go dey bring different excuses, all in the name of you want to dump the woman, say you don reach, say you don make am. Karma, e go cut up with you if you do that as a man. If karma cut up with you, you no go fit escape am. If karma cut up with you, you no go fit escape am. That time I go dey run from one native doctor or from one prophet to the other. They pray, rabba, rabba, robo, robo, robo. What of the person when you don't have to call? What of the person when he suffer follow you when you don't? What of the person when he try to make you see, to make you somebody in life and you don't have for no reason? You don't think go there now. You won't run from one prophet to the other. Until you look for that woman and beg for forgiveness. Now so you will continue to the run, they go, nothing good go happen to you. Nothing good go happen to you. Men, so if you are in a relationship, you know say the woman they do everything to make you happy, and you don't like the woman they do everything to see say you make her for life. You don't like the woman, let the woman go. Let her go. Let her go. Tell her you are not interested. Make she find her way. Not be say you go dey pretend dey follow her. You waste her time. You waste her effort when she for able to better her own life. She can't use her to take better your life. Some women, they say, some girls, they even if their parents say leave that man, he will not do anything, they will say no, na the love of my life, just to please you, those men. And at the end of the day, what do? You dump them. You say they're not good. You say they don't get character. Kudos to those men that always remember where their wife start fighting for them to make it in life. God will continue to bless you all. But you see una one at the dump una women after una don't make am. Better amend your ways before it is too late. You better amend your ways before it is too late. Because no native doctor go fit save you. No pastor go fit save you except that woman forgive you. Except that woman grieve from her heart, say, okay, I forgive you. Una go know say una no like the person. Una go let her dey suffer, dey follow una. Una go know say una no go fit deal with her. Una go let her dey do everything for una. And when una don make am finish, na that time una dey say she no good, she be this one, she be that one, she too dirty. Why you not clean her up? Why you not clean her up? She too fat. If you want her to be slim, why you not do something for her to be slim? The time when you dey suffer, you no know say you fat. You no know. Or you no know say she too slim. You no know say she too slim. Then you can't let her commit all herself to you. After you don't waste her time finish. You don't waste everything about her finish. Then you dump her. Especially most of them in this Europe. Let's talk about most of them in this Europe. They go dey camp. Maybe they claim marito for camp. For let me say Italy. They always dey talk about Italy because na Italy I dey stay. Now where person know now for the talk, you know. They go they with their finish. When they look for document, they go lawyer finish. Just for them to take get the document. After they don't get document, you just start to dey misbehave. They go start to dey maltreat the woman. Do you understand? It's not right. It's not right at all. Or some they go there with their wife for Europe here. The woman go dey follow them, they do things for house. They build house, they invest for house. The next thing when they go do, make her go Nigeria, come back. Now to go marry another woman, boom, they go abandon the one when e dey here. That time they go say Europe girls not good. Europe girls not do this one. And I wrote that for meet am. Na prostitute. She dey hustle when I know her. But the time when she dey follow you, they invest. When she dey follow you, they do things for us. You don't know say na prostitute. You don't know say she dey hustle when you know her. You gave her your words that you love her, and the woman decide to stand beside you. So the way they can't even pretend reach, they go still marry the woman for year finish. They'll still go Nigeria go marry another one. They'll go Nigeria go marry another one. Or they go travel from Nigeria come Europe. They go abandon their woman for us. When e dey suffer follow them for years now, they go abandon her, they'll come marry for abroad. The time when they never come up for us, the woman a nice woman. All of a sudden, they don't come Europe, boom, the woman don't turn to bad person. Even though say na your family come dey tell you say see wetin the woman do, see wetin the woman do. Most of you guys, the women don't born for una. Una no call before they born one, born two, born three, or even one for you or two. You no come know the woman when you dey with before you comot. So if they call you, tell you anything about the woman, you go believe. And you guys, you go dump the woman like trash, come marry another one for here. If you come dey here, you dey work, you dey do everything, nothing dey work out for you. You go say na which dey worry you. Una go dey from church to church, from one program to the other for Facebook. They post what God cannot do does not exist. When you don't already fuck up, when you don't already dump the woman when he suffer follow you, what God not dey take that nonsense from anybody. God not dey take that nonsense from anybody. What you know that if they did it to you, you will not like it. It will hurt your soul. Don't do it to another person. Not do one. Because if you do one to the person, God will not forgive you. Yes, baby. Okay, thank you. Okay, thank you, my love. Ciao. I'm sorry, guys, my son. So, guys, that woman when it does suffer follow you, always respect her. Always do what? Respect her. Then they make one parable for my place. Say if you know if you climb that ground, they for the talk. If you not love the woman, talk for ground when you never go far. No let her suffer follow you finish. You can't dump her because the repercussion not go good. All those mumu excuses one that they bring just to they bring down the woman. The repercussion not go good. So guys, be careful what you do to women that are there for you when there is nothing. Be careful. Because no babalawo go fit save you, no prophet go fit save you. If the wrath come again, come for you, no go fit save you. You're the verse. You know, at the verse. It's not right. That is it, guys. Don't do that to don't do that to anybody's daughter. It's not right. It's not good at all. It's not good at all. If you not say the woman not get character for the first place, why you not leave her? Which is 100% lie. They are just looking for excuse to dump the lady. Just excuse to take dump the woman, neither they find. Not be any other thing. All those, you not get character, you not do this one, you not do that one, other one a lie. So don't do it to anybody. Thank you all as you do so. This is the end of my video for today. If you love these videos, guys, share it, give me a thumbs up, and also please do not forget to subscribe to my channel and give me your comments in the comment section below. Turn on your notification bell that whenever I post a new video, boom, you don't get the alert for your phone. Yes, guys, I love you all. To all my returning subscribers, oh my God, I love you all. God bless you for me. To my new ones that are coming, God bless you all. I love you all. Thank you all for your support, for supporting me. Who I be? Who I be now? If una not support me, who I be? Where I dey go? I dey here, but you guys are always there for me. I love you all. Thank you for watching. Please don't forget to share this video, like, comment. Drop your comment in the comment section below what you think about our discussion so far. I love you all. Mwah.